Good morning everyone and welcome to our Friday assembly. It is our celebration assembly and we've got lots to celebrate this week. It's only been 4 days with you children back in school. All the teachers and the staff were in school on Monday preparing for the term ahead, making sure all the lessons and resources were in place and making sure school was safe for you all to return. So it's been 4 fantastic days with all of you back in school. And like I say, we've got lots to celebrate. Just a few things to go through before we go on to our celebrations and hear who our stars of the week are this week. The first thing, before we broke up at half term, we had Halloween fancy dress and our PCAB came around and sold sweets to classes while you had discos in your classrooms, which were really successful. And I'm really pleased to say that we managed to raise on that day £641.49. So £600 plus has now gone into our school fund and we'll be using that to spend on you, on things that we need in school. So that's a fantastic end to the last half term. During half term then, the Prime Minister has announced that there's a lockdown which started yesterday. It doesn't affect schools. We're still coming into school every day and we do expect you in school every day. Unless there's a reason that you cannot be in, we do expect you to be in school. It's really important you are in school every day and we want to see you here and we want the learning to continue. We'll make sure school is safe and we'll make sure that everything's in place so learning can continue. So please, please, please be in school every day. Some of the attendance has dropped in classes this week, but been really impressed with other classes who have managed to get above our 96% target even through these times. So on our newsletter this week you will see which classes have done really well and which classes need to work harder on their attendance next week. Okay, also a few things for next week. Next Wednesday is Remembrance Day and we'll be doing a special assembly which will come to your classes again. Mr Taylor will be leading that assembly and there'll be some messages from children for remembrance. And then next Friday, it's Children in Need Day, and that'll be a non-uniform day next Friday. And we're going to ask children to come in sporty outfits, so a sports star or sports outfits, and to bring in £1 for that, and we'll raise that money for children in need. There'll also be merchandise that we'll be selling, like we've been selling the poppies and all that merchandise too. So thank you for all your contributions with that. You're all doing a fantastic job. I will be round in a little while as well to see who our Reader of the Week is, and we'll be coming with the token to see who's managed to win a token to get a book out of our vending machine this week. But I'd just like to say well done to everyone this week. You've been fantastic as always. Let's have another great week next week and let's try and build that attendance back up. But for now, let's go over to our class teachers to find out who our stars of the week are this week.
Nursery's Child of the Week this week is Leland. He's done so well, he's been really safe, he's been looking after us and everybody else, and he's shown he's remarkable by being unusually brave with our sparklers. Happy bonfire night everybody!
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Caris. Caris could be the child that's nominated every week because she does everything that you would want a student to do. She works incredibly hard, always putting the best effort into lessons. Her books are stunning to say the least. And I feel like she's like the Matilda of a class, practically perfect in every way. So well done Caris, keep up the hard work as you always do.
My child of the week this week is Harley. What can I say? She brightens the classroom with her smile and her positive attitude to everything every single day. She's so consistent in her work, always striving to make sure her presentation is amazing. And she just has such a remarkable attitude to everything that she does that I just wanted to say thank you, Harley, and keep it up. Bye.
3MC's Child of the Week this week is Zahara. I've chosen you, Zahara, because you are a perfect example to everybody else in the class. You are always putting your hand up a lot in lessons, and you've really pushed your limits with your handwriting and earned yourself a handwriting pen. So well done, Zahara. Keep up the amazing work.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week goes to Lewis Towner in 5MW, and the reason for this is because he has been a fantastic help in the Innovation Hub. He's worked with Mrs. Clark and myself to produce some amazing stories that we've added to Lee Forest TV, and it's just been absolutely amazing to work with him. So thank you, Lewis, for being remarkable.
My child of the week this week is Ivy Lee, and I've chosen Ivy because she's just trying so hard in all areas of her learning, especially with her writing. So well done, Ivy Lee, keep up the good work.
Hi everybody, my child of the week this week is Maz. Maz has come back to school with such a positive attitude. He's so ready to learn every single day. He always puts his hand up to contribute to our class discussions, but I can see him encouraging others to do so as well. Keep up the amazing work, Maz. Well done.
My child of the week this week is Armana. Armana, I am so proud of the attitude that you have came back to school with. You are working extremely hard in every single lesson, especially your maths work. You have blown me away this week with the maths work that you have produced, being able to subtract numbers that also bridge the tens. So well done, Armana. Keep it up.
This week I have chosen Lexi Lara as my child of the week. Lexi Lara, you're trying so hard to remember all the phonemes that we're learning and to remember all the numbers in maths. I also love it when you go to our story top in our classroom and you draw your own story map and have a go at retelling the story. It's brilliant. Well done, keep it up.
My child of the week is Gatika. Gatika always comes into school with a massive big smile on her face and is very kind to the other children and always willing to help in class. She's trying really hard with her reading and is now trying lots of different kinds of genres than she's used to. And well done, Gatika, you're always giving 100%.
Our child of the week this week is Tommy. He's tried really hard since we've come back, especially with his speech. He's talking a lot more and joining in with class discussions. Well done, Tommy, keep it up.
This week in the AL Hub, Miss Jones and I have chosen Raya out of Year 1 for always trying her best. Keep up the hard work, you are remarkable.
My child of the week is Isa. Isa, me and Miss Freeman have been really impressed with how you've been pushing your limits since you returned back to school. You completed a whole activity that was really challenging independently and we were really impressed, so well done, Isa.
My child of the week this week is Habiba. Habiba, you are a remarkable pupil. You work extremely hard in every single lesson and push your limits in absolutely everything you do. You are kind, you are big-hearted, and you always bring your reading book back every day. Keep up the good work and well done.
My child of the week this week is Ali, and I've chosen Ali for always showing high aspirations, especially in maths. He flies through the model every single day and his work is always a really high standard. So keep up the great work, Ali, well done.
Hello, I've chosen Salma as my child of the week this week. Salma, I have chosen you because I was really impressed with the ideas that you have come up with so far towards your story map and your own quest story. In addition to this, I was also impressed with the maths that you've produced this week. I know you are always eager to work your way through the model, but at the same time, you really think and you make sure that the answers that you are giving are full answers and they explain exactly what I need them to explain for you to get your mark. So well done. And just continue being big-hearted and offering your time at lunchtime and making sure all of your friends are all getting on with what they.
Hi everyone, my child of the week this week is Blaze Simmons. He's done really well since coming back from half term, and before that he started writing a Portal story and it's absolutely fantastic. He finished typing it up and I'm really blown away by it, so well done Blaze, keep up the good work.
My star of the week is Layla Lee. Layla, you've been absolutely fantastic, especially during your maths lessons. You've tried your best and pushed your limits. Look at all this amazing work that you've done independently. Well done, Layla. I'm so proud of you.
My child of the week is Akib. I've chosen Akib this week because he's always pushing his limits in every lesson. Well done, Akib. Keep it up.
Thank you for all of our messages there from our teachers, and well done to all of our stars of the week this week. I will be coming round soon with the attendance trophies, and I will be coming round to award the Reader of the Week. So look out for me coming round with the trophies. And I would also like to add a big well done to all those children throughout half term who managed to share some pumpkin photographs. So you were busy carving Halloween pumpkins. So well done to all those children. I've added those to our newsletter this week as well. So make sure you check that out. Have a lovely weekend and I will see you all again on Monday. Here's our team points, our attendance and everything else for the week. Enjoy.
A stranger to the dark. Hide away, they say, 'cause we don't want your broken parts. I've learned to be ashamed of all my scars. Run away, they say, no one will love you as you are. But I won't let them break me down to dust. I know that there's a place for us, for we are glorious. Sharpest words wanna cut me down. I'm gonna send the blood, gonna drown them out. I am brave, I am bruised, I am who I'm meant to be. This is me. Look out, 'cause here I come.